Hi, I'm Sue Steinmann, Oro Valley's only AI Certified Realtor and the Ninja Girl who drives a Jeep. I use smart tech to sell homes faster, but never forget there's a real person behind every move. Why Oro Valley homeowners are making moves earlier than planned. Oro Valley, homeowners aren't panicked. They're being smart. Life changed, their home no longer fits, and they're making clear, intentional moves with peace of mind. What I mean when I say strategic. Strategy means clarity, knowing your home's value, timing, and options before life forces a move. It's not should I sell, it's what's the smartest move right now. Why Oro Valley homeowners are thinking differently. Oro Valley homeowners are planners. Many bought in a busier season of life when the space made sense. Now, life's quieter, priorities shift, and flexibility matters more. Strategic moves help them stay ahead, not stuck. A future scenario. I want you ready for, picture this. A year from now, you feel calm and confident. You didn't rush. You made smart, informed choices. Maybe you sold, maybe you stayed, but you knew your options. That peace starts today. Why homeowners are making moves now. Here's what I hear most from Oro Valley homeowners. They want control over timing, fewer surprises, protected equity, and pressure-free options. Their moves aren't driven by fear, they're driven by intention. Downsizing is one strategy, not the only one. Some downsize, some relocate, others stay local in homes that are easier long-term. Strategy isn't about trends, it's about what fits you. That's why planning ahead matters. Why timing matters more than most people realize. Timing isn't about guessing the market, it's about seeing opportunity. When you understand your timing, decisions feel intentional, not rushed. Less stress, more confidence. The power of options. Selling doesn't have to be stressful or slow. You've got options, and once you see them, it gets easier. Better conversations lead to better decisions. The best decisions start with a conversation, not pressure. What feels heavy about your home? What would easier living look like? Clarity starts there and leads to smart moves. Why strategy works so well in Oro Valley. Oro Valley continues to attract buyers who value lifestyle, views, and location. Strategic planning helps homeowners position themselves thoughtfully within that demand. Clear pricing, timing, and preparation make all the difference. What happens when stress is replaced with strategy? Once homeowners see their options, everything shifts. Worry fades, pressure lifts, and the path forward gets clear. That's the power of planning ahead. Strategic moves are about protecting your future. Whether you're thinking about selling soon or simply planning ahead, understanding your position matters. Strategic homeowners choose clarity over chaos every time. Let's talk about what makes sense for you. I'm Sue Steinmann, AI Certified, No Fluff Realtor, and the Ninja Girl who drives a Jeep. Real estate should feel clear, not overwhelming. Thinking about a move in Oro Valley or Tucson? Let's talk. Call or text me at 847-530-2517. No pressure, just smart strategy.